Okay.
Okay. See, first of all, it's a business international project. That means it does not, its limitation is not bound to one specific country. It is not only bound to one India. Second thing is it is 100% legal. That means 100% legal means you need not worry about whatever the outcomes and whatever the money you earn out of this project. There will be no like you need not worry about income tax payment, or you need not worry about ED getting coming back to you, coming behind you and telling what is the source and all. You will get all legalized information on that one. Plus,
Okay.
it
Okay.
supports multi-currency. Multi-currency in the sense, when I said it is an international business, not limited only to the country called India. So the people who across the world, across the globe, the person who is sitting in America would like to take the payouts in dollars. The person who is in UK would like to take in the pounds, and the person who is in Japan would like to take in yen, and any other European countries would like to take in euros. See, it supports each and every multi-currencies, more than 40 currencies it supports. So your payout is not limited only to one particular area or one particular country. So you can have people
Okay.
across the globe. Second thing is, what is company offering? It is companies offering you it is trying to make you a partner in the communication technology company. So if I want to give an example of communication and technology company means there you like Google, WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, then e-commerce websites like Alibaba, you have Amazon, you have Flipkart, Snapdeals, Big Basket, multiple companies. So when you tell, when this company is offering a partnership, imagine how thousands of crores of rupees invested companies have invested on their infrastructure, and this company is offering a partnership. When it is offering a partnership, definitely what first thing that comes to your mind is what is the amount that I need to pay, right? But
Okay.
here,
Okay.
the company is not asking you to pay even a single pie. It is left to you. You can be a
Ah.
partner, paid partner, or you can be a free partner. It is up to you how you want to
If
exercise your option. ठीक है?
if it is a free partner, is there is any sort of profit?
Yes, definitely. I am doing because of the profit only. There is a lot of
Okay.
money involved in that, and crores of rupees are involved in this. More than 20 crore rupees you get in the form of a freebies itself, bonuses itself.
Okay.
Okay, but that one, it is nothing is given free of cost. Okay, you have to work for it. You have to
Ah.
spend your time. You have to work hard for the achievements. Basically, what
Mm-hmm.
it is a latest social media platform, latest updated social media platform, and currently also today also one updation is going to happen today. So every day new patches are coming, new upgradations are coming. This is currently in a beta version only. Remember, it is a beta version. Actual version is due. It will be anytime, another 2 months of time. The latest actual platform will come into picture. So what this social media platform is all about? See, first you have to understand how these social medias are earning their money. For example, if I ask you, can you tell me, have you paid any money for YouTube subscription or Facebook or WhatsApp? Have you paid any single pipe?
No. No. No.
No, I have
I
not paid.
haven't
You
paid
have
it.
also not paid. In turn, company is paying you anything?
No. Not
No,
yet.
company is also not paying. Both are free, free partners. Both are working,
Yeah.
but we are deriving the benefits from each another. So can you tell me how basically these companies do, from your point of view, do you think these companies are running into profit or they are lost under loss?
When there is more subscribers, the reach of the company will be high. So
Reach is high. How about
in
the
that
money?
view, uh, advertisement.
Exactly, exactly. You have nailed it. Okay. See, when you switch on an YouTube video, initially you directly the audio video is not coming to your person, right? Initially, one
Mm.
advertisement will come. The direct video is not given to you. One advertisement will be there, and it will. You cannot remove that advertisement until that 5 seconds. Once you see for it
Ah.
5 seconds, then only that skip button will get highlighted, and you will be pressing the skip button to exit from that particular this one
Mhm.
advertisement. Okay,
Ah.
actually what happens means these advertisers will come to the YouTube. What is the basically if I ask you with from your point of view, what is the YouTube has got, what is its infrastructure, what it is having, why it is so popular?
It's providing videos from all over the
Okay,
world to
correct, but
in the
whether it is
phone.
having its own videos?
No, no.
No, that means
Anyone can
videos,
create a channel and start
videos are
video.
created by the subscribers.
Yeah.
Correct. So we, as such, it is not having anything. Videos are belongs to the customers, or the subscribers. Okay. How actually happens is these advertising company come to this platform, come to the YouTube and say, sir, this is my requirement. I want my advertisement to be shown to the 1 crore people in this region, say India. YouTube will say, okay, fine, done. I will send you this details. You take these specifications. He will send the specifications. Sir, my package number 1 is 5 crore rupees. Package number 2 is 15 crore rupees. Package number 3 is 30 crore rupees. In this is an example. It's only an example. It's not. It need not be specifically like this only. So 5 second, to show the advertisement for 5 seconds, it will charge. It may charge 5 crores. To say for 15 seconds advertisements display, it will charge 15 crores, and 30 seconds it will charge 30 crores to the advertiser. And in some of the trending videos, you'll find that suddenly at the center, you'll find that 15-second one of an advertisement will come, and you cannot skip that one. It will pop up a message telling that your audio, your video will resume after the ending of this advertisement. So you are compelled to see that particular ad. It may be 15-second ad, or it may be 30-second, or it may be 1 minute ad also, depending upon the premium package selected by the advertiser. So what advertiser does is he will select one particular package and tell boss, this is my requirement, and there 1 crore people, and this is the package I am selecting. Then YouTube, what he will do is he will search for the trending videos where more people are likely to view it, or where the more subscription is there, latest video. He will push these ads into that videos. The moment these ads are seen by everyone, each and every person, 1 crore Indians will see those ads. And at the end of that period, YouTube will tell, boss, this is my logs. These are the 1 crore people who have seen this particular ad, and these are the logs for them. So you verify, and once you are done with this, you make my payment. So after the verification, the advertiser will pay either 5 crore, 15 crore, or 30 crore, whatever his package he has selected. So basically what is happening here? YouTube doesn't have anything on its own. Videos are created by the user. Other users are seeing those videos, generating the revenue, and that revenue goes to YouTube. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is how the model works. Similarly, in any social media app, here also it will be same. But at the end, financial benefits are not extended to any customers or any subscribers. But in this, there is a difference. What company says is, I will also work on the similar platform. I will not have anything on my own. You have to create your own videos. You have to create your own database. As and when the advertiser come, and I will be pumping these videos or audios, whatever it is, advertisement in your videos, and whatever revenue is generated out of it, that will be divided into 3 parts. Part 1, one share goes to the company, which has to maintain its expenses, like in the form of salaries payment, in the form of servers, and in the form of say new infrastructure or expansion business. Second share goes to the direct user who has seen the advertisement, because of whom the revenue has generated. One portion goes to that person directly. Third person is a team. There will be a team responsible to bring, for example, you are the last person, you have seen that particular ad and made its revenue, say 15 rupees or 30 rupees by seeing one ad. If we, in this example itself, if we say that 10 rupees is divided into 3 equal shares. 10 rupees is taken by the company, 10 rupees is extended to you, because you are the person who has earned this revenue to the company by seeing the ad. And another 10 rupees is divided between the whole team that is responsible to bring you into the system. First person has come and into the system to the company, and he invites few other people. Then in turn, he invites a few other people, and finally I come and invite you. From me and between the company, whatever the upline is there, they will be dividing this 10 rupees. Okay, now few people have complained, telling that I have earned 30 rupees and only 10 rupees is given to me directly. It is unfair. But now what is happening in the current era? You are getting 0. You are not even getting even a single pie, but company is offering you 10 rupees. at least 1/3 of that share. But again, there is another way to see it. He is telling, company is telling, okay, if you want to earn more, you start building your own team. You start making use of their contacts. You ask them to join the system. They will also see such advertisement. They will also come into the system. They will join. They will also make some profit. And again, they will also earn 10 rupees. 10 rupees will be taken by the company, and remaining 10 rupees where your involvement is not there, but still you are a part of that share throughout life. The whole life, the person below you will be earning for you, and your involvement is nothing, just you are promoting this product and telling him the benefits, and he joins the system. This is one part. Second part is the same thing with the e-commerce. E-commerce, what happens, whatever now what we are doing, we are only buying the products from the Amazon or any websites, online products, and you are getting two things. One is your offers, and the other one is a discount. Am I right? Is there anything that you are getting apart from offers and discounts?
Nothing.
Nothing. Correct. So, but company, what he is telling is, I will share the profit with you. Amazon, Flipkart, these are the channel partners with this company, and they are telling, if any product is sold and your subscriber buys this product, we will give you a share in the profit. Say, for example, a person buys for you, for example, you buy 1,000 rupees product. The cost is same on the Amazon website and as well as this website. When you buy from Amazon, after discount and after offer, the price is say 1,000 rupees, and you buy the product. What you will get? You will get the product, and you will get 1,000 rupees service or the particular product. You are paying 1,000 rupees from your pocket. But in this system, what happens here? Say, for example, 300 rupees is the margin for Amazon. Amazon will not give away anything free of cost. What it will do, it will hold its profit. Say 150 rupees it keeps for himself. 150 rupees he gives back to the company. Out of that 150 rupees, there will be three partners, three parts. One part goes to the company, say 50 rupees. 150 rupees comes to you because you are the final person due to which the company has earned 150 rupees as a bonus or a revenue. So 50 rupees is directly extended to you. So what you got, which was not available in early purchase, earning opportunity. So your cost price comes down, say from 1,000 rupees, 150 rupees is given back to you. Now, hello? Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, 50 rupees you get back to you. Remaining, what will happen to the 50 rupees? 50 rupees is again divided into the team that has a responsible to bring you into the system. This is how the system behaves. And similarly, when you have, say, 6 months down the line or 1 year down the line, you get around, say, 1 lakh people under you, and every person is doing online shopping. And every person, even if it generates 1 rupees by his means of online shopping, so your earning will increase down to 1 lakh rupees per day. Do you think it is a small amount?
No.
Okay, this is how it works. Okay. Then first thing is, it is not an MLM. People make a very they are under confusion or misconception. They feel it is an MLM. It is not an MLM. You need not buy anything. You need not sell anything. You need not go for door shipping where you have to deliver the goods, finished products to one particular person. All you need to do is only two things: advertisement and promotion. So what do you do with the advertisement and promotion? What is the most impact? How it impacts? Say, for example, you have seen some of the ads like Mountain Dew, Hrithik Roshan's ad you might have seen, Thumbs Up ad by Salman Khan, or Pepsi ad by Amir Khan. You might have seen all those ads, right?
Yeah.
So from that, see what is their efforts, how much time they might have put into that particular ad, or how much time their hard work do you think they have put into that making that particular ad? Say, for example, Salman Khan comes for the shooting of that ad. It is a 30-second to 1 minute ad. How much time he might have taken? Maximum?
Hours.
On an average, just 30-second ad, right? So he comes.
Minimum shooting 1 day.
1 day maximum. Okay, he comes, he drinks it, and he tells something, whatever that tagline is there, he will tell. Okay. But do you know how much he charges for that ad?
Crore. More than.
I will tell you what it is. He says, apart from that money, he is a partner. Whatever bottles are sold, okay, From each bottle, whatever is sold, he is getting 1 rupee 75 paise. We are 130 crore Indians. Say, imagine 130 crore Indians. 10% of them buy it. 13 crore people buy it. So 13 into 175, nearly 20 crores. So that means his one day work is yielding him 20 crores daily. So this is the effect, and this is the power of that advertisement and promotion. Here also you need to do only two things, because buyers and sellers, see, there is a lot more difficulty for buyers and sellers. Buyer has to find the seller, seller has to find the buyer. So there is a lot more difficulty. Again, there is a problem. The product is not good, this thing, that thing. All the limitations comes into picture. But here you are doing only two things, advertisement and promotion. How do you do it? You tell to the people, see, this is a new platform, latest updated social media platform. It is having plenty of features. You use it, make use of it. It is free like any other apps. You need not do anything. So you bring the people into the system. Once the people are there into the system, they start generating revenue. And once they start generating revenue, you are benefited, because their profit is shared with the team and you are the first person of that team. So it will be shared the whole system. How do you do it? You start making use of building the list from your contacts. Till now, all your contacts are contacts only. You are using them for sharing your grievances, or you are speaking to them, or you are doing some sharing some information, or at the most what you do is you want to have some quality time with them. You speak to them and you try to do these activities. But have you taken any benefits from them in the form of, I'm telling, means economically, have they helped you out? Any contacts? Their contacts, they have remained as a contacts only. They have never become your source of income or source of wealth. Have they become any time in past?
No.
No. Now there is an opportunity. Bring into the system, they will earn for you, and it is free for the lifetime. So now next thing is, when you bring into the system, there is something called data security. People are thinking that what about our data when I bring into the people? During the time of registration, only your email ID and this one, what do you call, mobile number will be shared with the system, not with any other person. Your data is 100% safe and secured, because this company follows GDPR compliant. GDPR compliant means General Data Protection Regulation. This has come into effect in 2018, because Facebook, if you remember, has sold out all the data of the customers to Amazon. It was a very big news. And after that, these people came, European Union came into act, and they said that no, this is a stealing, pilferage will not be accepted here. So what you have to do is, such people have to go out of our European Union. After that, even Google is a very powerful company. Do you think it is a powerful company?
Yes.
Yeah, Google is supposed to go out of European Union. I will show you the proof for that one. Moreover, here data is secured in 3 different levels, because data is in encrypted form, and it is password protected and access code protection. So you are getting 3 levels of security. This is the mail. This is the proof which I was telling. If you see something that is highlighted in blue, it says that one, as a result of the recent Court of Justice of the European Union ruling on the data transfers, invalidating the privacy shield, Google will be moving the standard contractual clauses for transfer of online advertising and measurement personal data out of Europe Economic Area, Switzerland and the UK. They were forced to push out their business from European area, because they could not follow the compliance of the GDPR. But this company is very powerful. It is GDPR compliant, and it is not going to allow any sharing of data with the third party without the consent of the customer. What the company has to offer? Company gives you 3 GB free space in the cloud for a lifetime. And you have to understand what is the cost of 3 GB space in cloud. Do you have any idea about this one? How much would be the cost?
Personal.
If you go and buy from the market, 3 GB
I don't know.
will cost you 300 rupees per month.
Okay.
You're getting me? 300 rupees. If you buy from the market, if you buy from the Google, it will offer you 3 GB at 300 rupees per month, but company is offering free of cost. Nothing it will offer free of cost because it knows you have got a potential to uplift the company and be a much more better partner. So it is offering free lifetime 3 GB free space to all the persons who are joining this project. And company is offering you free partnership to do any business. Okay, I told you, you need not invest anything, not necessarily. Okay, what is other things that company offers? Company offers every year 2 times, say every half yearly, company is making foreign trips for the achievers. Some people who achieve the things, certain things. For them, it company offers free trips with you, with your family. Second thing is you can win gold worth rupees 10 crores. In this project, if you systematically do, if you follow all the guidelines and if you reach the targets, you will be able to earn 50 crore, 10 crore rupees worth gold. You are from which place? May I know which part of Kerala?
Kerala, Kottayam.
Okay. So you may be having multiple crore patis in your place, right?
Oh,
But anyone is having gold in
yes.
kgs?
Don't know.
Not sure.
Maybe
but,
not.
but once you achieve, once you are an achiever here, you will be having gold in crores in with this one. Sorry, in what do you call kgs. So you will be among the one of the elite members who are the beneficiary of this one. Next, what company offers you is the 4 luxurious cars. The cars are Skoda, BMW,
Are
Mercedes,
you
and
an elite member?
pardon me.
Are you
Hello?
an elite member or do you have owning cars?
Holding cars.
Anything like that?
Yeah, but there is an
Supporting
opportunity here
Lakshmi
to win
car.
free of cost. Hello?
You are a member of this company, so have you got any chance to get these things?
No, I have recently joined. See, the company, other parts I will tell you. See, the company is yet in the beginning stages. See, it has not launched it. I will come to that point. Okay, what is company offering? I will tell you. Second thing is a virasat or a legacy. Legacy or a virasat means say some person joins this company XYZ. Okay, and he starts earning. Say per day, he maximum there is a limit. You can earn up to 10,000 pounds. That is the maximum limit. 10,000 pounds means 9 lakh rupees per day. That is the maximum limit that company has fixed for one person. Then when the person, say for example, the person is there, he is part of this system and he starts earning, say leave 9 lakh. He may be getting only some 20,000, let us assume. If the person dies, what will happen? If a person is employed and the person dies, that source of income is eliminated, it is got cut. You agree with this?
Yes.
Yeah, but in this, what will happen is the person who is a holder of that particular ID, when he dies, he might have made some person as a nominee. That ID will be shifted to him. So his nominee will become the owner of that particular ID, and that whatever income starts coming his father was getting, it will be shifted down to his son. It will not stop; it will continue. And then his son, that means from father it has come to son. Son can, when he takes up that ID, he can nominate his own son. That means a grandson as a nominee. So that means the source of income what grandfather was having, it will continue for generations to his grandson, to the grandson, to the grandson, or his son also. So the source of income will not be stopped. Only the ID shifts the hands. This means virasat. Like it is something like ancestral property. What is taken by your grandfather comes to your father, then comes to you, then it comes to your son, then it goes to your grandson, like that. Here, this ID will be shifted from generation to generation. That source of income will not be stopped. Then you were asking me the point. Here, I will be clearing it. It was supposed to get launched in Russia in June 2020, but this launch is postponed. Currently, it is not there. It is postponed. Why it is postponed? Due to COVID-19, it is postponed for next year. Now we have got an opportunity. See, when these many opportunities are given by the company, and when these advertisements starts coming through some, say from celebrities, everyone will join using their links. You will hardly get few people there. Now it is an opportunity because no one knows about this new latest app. Now you are fresh to this one. You join, you start giving your IDs, you start building your own team. When you start building your own team, you will be sitting somewhere on top, and someone from your down the line, some team, may invite one of the celebrity. Imagine one of the celebrity joins under you. What will happen? His followers will definitely join you
Oh,
indirectly.
yeah, popular.
Say, for example, Mammootty from yourself. You do not know Mammootty. You may be knowing him, but you may not be directly knowing him. Or for that example, any other person for that matter. Mohanlal is there. He is not directly known to you, or maybe known to you. But there is an opportunity. Your team can bring him into the system. Correct? Huh?
Hmm.
Then his followers will definitely join.
Okay, yes, good.
Then you need not worry, because all the followers under him, everyone will do online shopping. Whether you think online shopping will stop,
No,
it will never stop. It will be continued. Do you think if, this one people will stop seeing videos? People will stop communicating with one another? And the beauty of
no.
this app is, whatever the features of Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, everything is in one single app. You need not have multiple IDs. You need not have multiple passwords. You need not have multiple apps going to different apps. One single app is having all the features of that one. Plus, it is having some additional features. For example, I want to send you a message and I want it to be deleted. After reading the message, I will tell you, Mr. Joel Gitti, please delete the message. You may forget, or you may not get the time. There is a system. There will be a trace in the system. It is likely to be, we are likely to be caught. But here there is one facility. When you send a system, this one message, you can attach a timer along with that one. Once you start reading the message. Say, for example, I keep 2-minute timer and send a message to you. The message reaches you, but timer doesn't start. Once you start reading the message, the timer starts, and after the end of 2 minutes, it gets automatically deleted from the entire system. There is no trace. Here, nowhere your ID, email ID, or mobile number is uh, visible. See, some people are